Hey, so today we're doing a Boxycharm video. It's been a hot minute since I have filmed, probably about a month, maybe more. We got my Boxycharm yesterday and I was like, you know what? Let me sit down for the people. Let me explain to them the contents of a Boxycharm, show you what's inside, show you what I got. I am currently covered in swatches from head to toe. I'm looking like a bronzed amber goddess right now. Let's just dig in. Oh, and today is hair washing day, so you do not get to judge my hair. Theme this month is Rock 2018. No, Rock and Roll Soul. I don't know, there's two different, I don't know. So we're just gonna dive right in. I'm gonna show you guys a demo of how I use the products, like always. I'm gonna go from worst to best in terms of things in the box because not everything I always love. I usually love at least 80% of the products, but sometimes there's some real duds and it's like 50-50. So the first thing that I absolutely hate, I never want to use again, this is the Grande, let's pull out my card. Where's my card? So this is by Grande Cosmetics, and this is the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper for $27. Okay, first of all, this is a mess. I had to pump it up like 17,000 times, and then it comes out in like this orange, gooey, goopy yuckiness. It smells like burnt hair, literally. It smells awful, which I cannot get down with. I can get down with fragrant lipsticks, but not stuff that smells like disgusting burnt toast hair. No. It's very uneven in color. I put it on for maybe 5 seconds and then I took it off immediately and put this on, which this is a Buxom glossy liquid lip. But I hate this. I hate this so much, and it burns. So just to put it on a cherry on top, it also burns. I don't like anything about it. I just honestly want to burn it in the trash, and it wouldn't smell any different than it does right now. So the next thing that I'm not a huge fan of, and it's not necessarily the product's fault, it's more my fault. This is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. I just hate eyebrow pencils. I haven't used an eyebrow pencil in probably a year or so, and I just hate them. I hate the way they look on my face. I think that they look so horrible on me. Everyone else is fine, but I have such, what's the word? Non-existent eyebrows that it's literally like I am just drawing thick eyebrow hairs onto my eye, and it looks absolutely awful. So I'm gonna give that to my sister-in-law, Paige. So Paige, if you're watching this, you're getting an eyebrow pencil coming to you. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizing Primer. I just didn't notice that it did anything. It's $38, which is really expensive for a primer, and I don't really like primers in general. I've kind of stayed away from primers for the past few months. I haven't used a primer in like 6 months, I'm not even kidding. Sometimes I'll play with them a little bit, but I'm just like, I don't see the difference. I don't see the difference enough for me to use it every single day. I can try this out on a day where I'm going to be wearing makeup all day, because today is not that day. I'm going to take it off so I can clean my house and probably open a window because it's only like 50 degrees outside right now. But overall, I just don't really like primers. I don't really, you know? So the next thing in the box, and the thing I like second to the most, if that makes any sense at all, this is the Glam Metals Eyeshadow Palette by Crown Brushes, and it retails for $25. It's a decent price. This is upside down, by the way. This one came broken, but I'm not too sad about it because rarely ever do I reach for shimmery charcoal colors in my eyeshadow application. I like the shades that they chose in here, but the formula is inconsistent. Like, these two do not perform near as well as the middle one right here. And I don't know if they did it on purpose, but I mean, they're pretty nice. Like, you get a pretty decent amount of pigment. But I look for, when I have a shimmer shadow, I don't look for shimmer, I look for foil. Like, I want it to be liquid metal on my eye because that's just my style. The red's not too great, the black is like not very black. So it's not like a fantastic palette. I used this shade on my lid, and then I used the shade Pop Rock on my inner corner to give it kind of like a grungy type of feel. And then my crease colors, I used my Morphe 3502 because this has no matte shades at all except for the black. And I'm not gonna use just a black and like a shimmer because that would look weird. But overall, I mean, it's fine. It's not like the best, but it's not horrible. I do like the theme. I just wish the execution was a little more consistent, you know what I mean? I feel like if you're gonna do one of these little small square palettes, you need to have shades for a full look, not just like a ton of shimmers and a matte black, you know what I mean? All right, and the last thing, and probably my favorite thing in this whole box, this is the The Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I love it so much, guys. This shade I will absolutely never use, maybe on my eyes, but this highlight, are we seeing my face right now? I am a glowing, let's just see what happens if I just like apply my finger. It's just ridiculous. They're like the most foily shades ever. You can't even see it because it's so metallic. There we go. Let me swatch the brown one for you. It's supposed to be a bronzer, but this is like the most metallic bronze shade I've ever seen in my life. Look at that, and they're so pigmented and so creamy. I'm blown away. Like this highlight, this is the highlight I've been looking for. I'm not even kidding. The yellow champagne-y undertone that I need. It's not too dark. When I turn my face, you can't see it. It's light enough, but it's dark enough that it could work for someone darker than me and you still couldn't see it on the skin. You can build it up to be like a super mirrored effect on your face, or you could use it very gently. The formula is on point. You don't have to spray your face if you don't want to, because I always have to spray my face before I apply a highlighter. I always do. This is perfect, and this is not what you think it would be. Like, I'm wearing this, and I layered it up quite a few times, just dipping my brush in a couple times, tapping it off, and applying it to the cheeks. It's beautiful. I am literally gonna travel with this everywhere. I wish so badly that this shade was not shimmery. If this was a matte bronzer, this would be the perfect trio. Perfect trio. And you can have a glowy bronzer without it being freaking metallic, because if you put this on your face, you're gonna look ridiculous. You're gonna look like you used a liquid bronzer from 1995. This retails for $34, which it's a little up there. I think there's a Flower Beauty or something trio like this, similar, that's cheaper, that they sold at Target for a while. I know Kathleen Lights mentioned it a couple times, and the shades look really similar to the ones in the other palette as well, but this is just, I just can't, oh my gosh, you can't even imagine how happy I am. And just look at the friggin' metallic. This looks like Neapolitan ice cream. Now I can understand why guys say that, because it does. If you guys enjoyed this video, I haven't filmed in forever. I think I'm gonna film a skincare routine right after this, like a get unready with me skincare routine video, because a lot of people have been asking why my skin is so fabulous, and I really wanna tell you why. As always, my affiliate link that earns me a $5 commission every time someone signs up under my link will be listed down below, as well as a just regular old Boxycharm link to the website in case you do not want to use an affiliate link. That is totally okay. But both are listed down there for your, what's the word? But both are listed down there for your convenience. And I always have all of the products listed with their prices and links to the products in case you want to buy them separately, which one in particular I would strongly suggest you buy individually because it's absolutely amazing. But other than that, I will see you guys next time.